day 3 here on the project. As you can see behind me, we got the tub put back in. We got the Durarock concrete board back up. We got a shower niche put in here. It's gonna look really nice. Tore out all the wall boards, the drywall's back in place, and we replaced all of the subflooring. Plumbing's been capped off, new shower valve's been put in, so we're ready to rock and roll. This thing will be mud, tape textured. By the end of the day, we'll have this red guard in and waterproof so that they'll never have to worry about leaks again. This thing's gonna look beautiful. Come back and check it out. Also on day 3, outside, we're gonna be relocating the air conditioning unit. We're gonna be taking it from the back right-hand corner of the house and moving it around to the right-hand side in between the walkway between the 2 mobile homes. This is gonna open up the back and give us a perfect spot to add on the aluminum cage that they wanna do. Guys are putting in all new ductwork as well. The ductwork underneath the mobile home was actually had some gaps and some holes in it where air was leaking. Costs more money when that's the case. So all new ductwork is going to work really good during the summertime.